Hello boys and girls, this is the old pro from the other barn. Sorry it's been a while since I posted a video, but just been too busy to make videos right now, man. But anyhow, we've got a '02 BMW 540i with an n62 TU motor in there in a stick. This car's got over 100,000 miles. Customer of mine bought it in Chicago and bring it to me to look over. After looking it over, I found that it's got a blown head gasket and a few other things. So I tore it down, send the heads out to the machine shop, get them redone. As you can see, pull the chain off. Come to find out, I found this culprit right here. Then a part of the rail was missing on this side. This side wasn't that bad, but it was very dirty, so I'm starting to clean it up now to do the reassembling process. Everything here is going to be new. Water pump, chain, all the gaskets, everything is going to be new. Got my good old German auto solution timing tool here. Gonna get ready to use it on there. However, we didn't hear any sign of the chain hitting the cover, but after we pull the cover off, this is what we see here. So we know the chain's definitely hitting the cover. That seems to tell us that the U-shaped rail is bad, or the U-shaped guide is bad, and maybe the tension will have a little say-so in it. Here's the old chain that came off of it. I looked at the chain and measured it with the new one, and I don't see no etching on it. I don't see where this chain stretched at all, but I'm gonna replace it. Replace this, that U-shaped guide. Oh, this side is messed up too. I didn't even see that. We'll replace all of this and get this bad boy back on the road. And it is what it is. Guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I hope everybody is staying safe out there. And again, this is the old pool from the Autobahn, and I'm going to be posting more video on this motor, so I will talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.